Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on ZTE Blade V70 Max. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on System and Update, then click on Reset Options and click on Erase All Data Factory Reset. Then click on Erase All Data and you have to enter your lock screen code and click Erase All Data again. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.